to, Jake?
I'm cutting off some duct tape actually, which I forgot to do. Fuck man, I've got duct tape everywhere.
Yeah, I can feel something. Yep. She's on now.
Yeah, she's bleeding.
Whee! Yeah. Some fuel pressure.
Yeah, boy.
How many leaks we got?
No leaks.
No leaks. Yeah.
Hey! Who did the fuel lines?
Hey, right next to the water pump. We got no leaks. That's good.
Those LEDs are so handy. I fucking see what I'm doing here.
Should be a water pump on. Water pump on?
Nothing. Show everyone involved, Jacko.
No worries. What are you up to, Dan?
Just changing wheel studs.
I thought it had one stud in the driver's seat.
Hey?
It's got one stud in the driver's seat, hasn't it?
Not at the moment, he hasn't bought his dinner yet.
Going back.
There's anything left. That's set the water pump on, the fuel pump, and then them two. Figure it out. Teamwork, brother.
Hey. So, Damon.
Oh, yeah, water pump.
Water bomb.
Is that water alcohol, not methanol?
Oh, maybe.
Sydney water.
See, no, don't put that in there.
Are you serious? The best water in the
That's
world.
right.
People bottle it and sell it.
They can't be pregnant.
Surely they don't, man.
How's your systems checks going, Ryan?
Wonderful. Wonderful. That's
Air guns back.
alright.
What are you up to, Pete?
Just checking some things. Triple checking things.
Righto, guys. 5 weeks in the making. All the boys are here. Ved's here. Even Damon's here. Woo! Jacko's here. Ramunda's here. Oh, we're ready for firing up. Look at the size of that freaking turbo. Looks like a roll racing car, doesn't it?
Looks big from up here.
Yeah, man. This is sick. So Rhino's in this hot seat, ready to fire it. Are you ready to fire it up, Rhino? Hey! Alright. It's been a freaking hard slog, like a freaking no days off since I got back from Japan, literally. Just been here the entire freaking time. And oh, I forgot Dan. Dan's here too. Hating life. Sorry, brother. Oh, this is gonna be good. All right, we're gonna fire this thing up any minute now. I'm gonna head down. You ready, Dula?
I am always ready.
What do you think is gonna happen? It's gonna start or it's gonna backfire? Here we go. Where's Jake?
I'm here.
Jake's right here.
I'm here, brother.
Let's go. Yeah.
Hell yeah! On your boys! Hey! What did he do?
He's going to turn the neon lights on, but he split the switch. Is that the
Did you think that was the neon lights?
Jones, first drive.
Oh shit.
Alright.
The clutch doesn't feel good.
Clutch in. Clutch in, and then start stop. Push hold.
So we're getting ready to give her a dyno run, getting on the main lines.
Here you go, Jake. 18.
She's in the seat. I think Jake's acting like a wombat underneath the car.
What do you need?
Maybe 17.
Started to load it up, whatever, it just started to fucking, the first bit it was hosing out, like.
Down to 10. It's good, it's like 8 degrees. We're ready to rock, man. Is that us already? It doesn't do anything.
Yeah.
No, it doesn't put too late at the moment. That's on 14 pounds. It came on about 5.5.
So we'll take this water pump off?
Want to take it off?
It's sneaky, cool, bro.
Yeah, okay. on 98.
Yeah, you're doing that, I'm not.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's currently 2 a.m.
7:30 o'clock at night.
7:30.
Everybody's pretty much wrecked. And
Do not talk about that.
Jake's over in the corner draining oil. We've completed 98.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
Hey mate. So we've now completed the 98 tuning. That's basically running in the car. The boys are checking everything over. Hey lads.
They're stuck in my head.
That's it for tonight.
Yeah, that's pretty much it for tonight. 450 kilowatts should do him for the weekend. 98.
Can you see where the coolant pressure sensors now?
Hello Jake.
You look a little dusty, man. It looks like you've had a big day.
I look like I've had a big day.
Oh, yeah, well, I've had a big 5 weeks, but...
So
Would you say that 450 kilowatts is equal to his talent?
I'm
It depends on how you look.
I'm going to decline to comment.
It depends on what way you look at that. Do you think, oh, that's all I need?
That's all we need.
Gentlemen.
That's all I'd need.
So what are we doing, Jake?
I'm just going to try and move this jack.
But what are we actually trying to achieve here? Like
Changing the fuel.
changing the fuel.
Sorry.
So what fuel are we going to put in?
Other fuel.
Other fuel? Okay. What sort of fuel are we putting in, Jake?
We're
That's
putting in Nectar of the Gods.
flammable stuff.
Flammable stuff?
You got
Okay.
the... Shut up.
So then what are we going to do after we do that?
Make more power than he needs.
That's a bit rude, bro.
I've driven on the track
Hey.
with you, mate.
Hey, what are you doing?
Are you going to undo that?
Oh, yeah, do that up.
Yeah.
Where's this watch?
Like an old married couple now. Okay.
So what are you doing, Les?
Oh, I've got to take the clear view top off. Still unsure of why I'm doing it.
Right.
Dula wants to have a look at it before we full send.
Full send. Okay.
Full send.
So what's your estimation on power from tonight?
What is the estimation of power?
Is that with gas or no gas?
You tell me.
No gas?
All the power, brother!
All the power, brother. Exactly what he said.
All the power.
What do we get?
Well, see how much is all the power, Abdul?
I reckon.
640. 600.
Kilowatts?
Yeah. 640.
It will make more, but
Do you reckon that's only good for 600 kilowatts? Yeah, that's the current update at 2 a.m. We will report back shortly with more information.
Tomorrow is the first day of World Time Attack. And we have qualifying, so as long as I pass, we'll do a lap. I can qualify, I believe. So I'm going to take the car there, just literally cruise around the track because we've got a fueling issue, which we just can't solve. And obviously all the boys need to support Damon in the Time Attack. So they've gone home to get a couple hours sleep. And we'll be back on the dyno with this thing tomorrow night to try and fix this fuel thing. We think we know what it is. We're going to change a heap of stuff and get it ready for the final day of World Time Attack. So tomorrow I'll be at Time Attack and I won't be doing much in this, but I'll be there. This video's gone from massive highs to massive lows. I shouldn't say this video, this whole build has tested me so much. And I think I've slept not much. So I'll go home now, get like an hour, have a shower and come back. But this is the race car life. It's the look. I'm gonna fix the guard issue. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed that, and we will be back very, very, very soon. See you guys.